Good morning students, how are you all? I hope everyone are staying safe at home. Welcome back to our class again children. Children, in the previous class I have told you about forming the 4-digit number, forming the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers by using single digits. Children, many of you done this mistake children. You started while writing ascending order, of course 0 will come first. I explained you in the previous video also. 0 will come first, but if you start with 0 it will become a 3-digit number. It can't be a 4-digit number. This is a 3-digit number. So if 0 is there, because 0 is in the first, if it is in thousands place it doesn't have any value. So that's why it will become a 3-digit number. So what you should do, you should go to the next smallest number. Here 3 is the next smallest number. First write 3, next 0. Next 0. Like 5, 6 like this. While framing the greatest, this is the smallest. This is the smallest. Greatest also some of you done small mistake children. The 0 will come last only, descending order. Descending order, keeping the digits in descending order. Doesn't have any, in that no changes at all. Descending order, it's simple. So no, don't confuse in this, okay? And can you see something in my hand? What are these? Marbles. See? So by seeing itself, can you see which one which one is more, which one is less? Of course. In my left hand I am having more. In my right hand I am having less. More, less. Yes. Today our topic is more and less. See. More than and less than. More than and less than our topic. Children, I am giving one more example. Sita, Geeta. Both are friends. Sita having 4 biscuits with her. Now I am saying Geeta is having 2 more biscuits than Sita. 2 more biscuits. Then how many biscuits Geeta is having? Obviously, Sita is having 4 and I am saying Geeta is having 2 more biscuits. So 4 plus 2. How much? 6. Because I said more. What you done ma? You have done addition. So more means addition. Similar case, Sita is having 5 chocolates. Now Geeta is having 3 less than Sita. 3 less than Sita. Less than. So what you will do? Obviously you will subtract 3 from 5. How much it is? So she is having 2 chocolates. 2 chocolates. What you done when I said less? Less means subtraction. What I have done here? Subtraction. So less means subtraction. More means addition. Less means subtraction and more means addition. So children, I hope now you understood what we have to do whenever you have listened the word more. What you should do? More, addition. Less, subtraction. Now I am giving you one number. For example, I am giving you 3,546. Now I said, what is the number which is 100 more than this number? What is the number which is 100 more than this number? If you clearly listen, more I said, more than, which how much more I said? 100. So you should add 100 to this number. So 6, 4 plus 0 6, 5 plus 1 6, so 4 plus 0 4, 5 plus 1 6 and 3. So what you got ma? 3,646. Again I am saying 3,546. I am asking the number which is more than 100 more than this number. Then what we have done? More means addition. So we have added 100 and we got 3646. If I said a number, if I am taking 4000 and I asked you one less than this number, one less than. So you should, less means you should subtract. See here, I am borrowing 1 from 4, then it will become 3 here, 10 here, again borrow here, you are again getting 10 and again borrow, here you are getting 10 and here 9, here 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9, 9, here nothing is there, so 9, here also nothing is there, 9, here also nothing is there, 3. So 3999 will be our number, which is 1 less than 4000. Understood, children? So in this way, more means addition, you should add that particular number. Less means you should subtract that particular number. Understood, children? How many members are there in your family? So simple question. Some maybe depending upon your family members, you may say 4, 5, 6 or like that. If I asked you how many members are there in your locality, what? In your locality, you may say maybe about 500 members, about 1000 members like that. Isn't it? You don't know the exact value. If you don't, but maybe are you sure that the only 500 or only 1000 members will be there? No, you are not sure. When you are not sure about a number, we use this word about or estimate. We used to estimate the numbers, which is nothing but rounding numbers, which is nothing but rounding of numbers. Our topic is rounding off. So let us see how to round off a numbers to the nearest values. Here we will take the nearest value. Maybe it will be some little bit less or little bit more. We will take nearest value when we are not sure about a number. So let us see rounding off to nearest tens. Rounding off to nearest tens. Rounding off to nearest tens. Children, I am taking one number. See here, 36. 36. Ones place 6 is there, tens place 3 is there. Children, there are some rules while rounding off a number. Clearly listen to me. Clearly listen to me. See here, if what is that I am going to rounding off nearest tens. That means I am rounding off the tens digit. When I am going to rounding off the particular digit, I should see the digit which is right to that digit. Now, which is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. So we want to round this number. Round off this to the nearest tens. See children, here 6 is right to. Whenever a number which is 5 or more means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If any of the digits are there, write to the number. Write to the number. So here 6 is there, which is more than 5. So we will keep 0 in that particular place. That means ones place we will keep 0 and we will add 1 to this number. 1 to the digit in the tens place. Understood, children? We will keep 0 in that particular place and we will add 1 to the digit in the tens place. That means 3 plus 1 how much ma? 4. So 36 is rounded off to 40. 36 is rounded off to 40. Similarly, if one more example I am taking, 32. See here, 32. Which place we are rounding off here? Tens place. That means 3. So which place we have to see? The digit which is right to 3, that is 2. The digit which is right to 3 is 2. So here 2. That means if the digit in the ones place, the digit which is right to the digit is 4 or less than 4. if a digit is right, which is right to the number which we are going to round it off, if the digit is 4 or less, that means 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Understood children? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If these digits are there in that particular place, here 2 is there. What we will do? We will keep 0 in that particular place, and the place which is in the tens place, then the number which is in the tens place will remain as it is. That means here 3 is there, there also 3. So 32 is rounded off to 30. Children, observe 5 or more. 5 or more, we will add 1 to the tens place and keep 0 to the keep 0 in the ones place. If the digit is 4 or less, then we will keep 0 in that ones place, and whatever the digit in the tens place, it will remain as it is. That means here 3 is there, 3 will remain as a 3 only. Understood children? It doesn't change. 4 or less doesn't change, and keep 0 to the digit which is in the right to it, which is right to it. And if 5 or more, keep 0 in that ones place and add 1 to the tens place. We are rounding off the digit to nearest tens. So we are rounding off the number to the nearest tens. Then what we will do? If 5 or more, keep 0, add 1 to the tens place. 4 or less, keep 0. The digit also the digit in the tens place remains same. Understood children? I hope everyone understood this class. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.